Okay, so now we are going to start first with writing the title of our article, and then we'll proceed on writing the post body. So if you want to write the title of your article, for instance, I'm going to use the first case study that I used earlier in one of the tutorials earlier. So this is the website I'm talking about, which is the netsocialblog.com. So for instance, I have so let's say there is this article, top 10 WordPress plugins list for blogs on first installation. So here is the post title, and here is the post description. So we have the title here and we have the description here. So if you want to write your article, you have to first create a title, then you write the post body. So let's say I want to talk about a new the new 2021 WordPress theme. So I can now say features of the new WordPress. WP actually means WordPress, so WP is an acronym, a short name for WordPress 2021 theme. So this is going to be the title of my post title, and then I can now go on to write the body, or let me just say WP 2021 theme. I'm trying to make the title not too lengthy, so 2021 review. So let me just leave it like that. I don't want the post title to make it to be too lengthy, so I'm just going to leave it at that. So here I have the post title, and here where you see type / to choose a blog is where you can write your post body. So this is where you're going to start writing your first article. So when you click on it, you can now start to talk about the title of your article. So I can now say WordPress themes are great for customizing and determine, and also are great for customizing your website's appearance. In this article, we are going to take a review at the WordPress 2021 theme. So there I have the introduction of my post body. So you can now, if you do not want to continue writing your article on there, so you can actually save it as draft there, then you continue writing the rest of the article later. So if you want to save as draft, all you have to do is you move on to the top right corner of your screen. So we have 3 buttons there, so we have about 3 or 4 buttons there. So we have, the first one is save draft. So this allows you to save your post, and after saving your post, you can actually come back later to continue. So you can shut down your PC or go anywhere you want to go, as long as it's it as draft. You're going to meet the article where you stop. So when you save as draft, so you can click on save draft, and now it's going to save it as draft. So preview here is going to show how your article is actually going to look like in the front end. So when you click on preview, you can also decide that whether you want to see how it's going to look on desktop, how it's going to look on tablet, or how it's going to look on mobile. So let's say I want to see how it's going to look on desktop, so I can just click on desktop. So when I click on desktop, then click on preview tab, and then it's going to show. So here is how it's going to show. So I have the post title here, 2021 review, and I have the post body here. WordPress themes are great for customizing your website appearance. In this article, we are going to take a review at the WordPress 2021 theme. So that is how to, and if you want to see how it's going to look on tablet, you can click on tablet. So this is how it's going to look like on tablet, and you can also see how it's going to look on mobile. So this is how it's going to look on mobile. So let's leave it as the desktop. So this is the save. This is where you're going to save. Anytime you write something new, you can always come here to save as draft. Although WordPress will automatically save it as draft as you continue writing on, but you can also as well as save it as draft by clicking here. So you can also preview how your article is going to look like, and when you are done with your article, you can click here to publish it. So in the next article, we are going to take a look at the option. In the next video, we are going to take a look at the other options that we have one by one.